Hello, my day-to-day task that I've decided to incorporate into a video game was my morning commute, because it seems like every morning traffic is unbearable, and I decided to call it Rush Hour, the driving game. The objective of the game is you must navigate your way through oncoming hordes of increasingly intense traffic before time runs out. The winning conditions would be you get to advance to the next level with new challenges, and you get to make it to work on time. Losing conditions are, however, uh, time runs out, you get stuck in traffic, or you get a speeding ticket, because that's always fun. Overview: you get to work by getting through hordes of traffic on time. The genre would be simulation. Unique gameplay, relatable to everyone that has ever been late to work. Gameplay highlights: realistic gameplay experience that can enhance your ability to drive better and get to work on time. Technology, console, and I forgot to add maybe touchscreen or on a phone or etc. Art highlights: 3D rendered models with accurate, realistic environments and interactive AI. Audio would be high-paced techno, jazz, or lofi, depending on the level that you are on. Target devices would be smartphones, consoles, and VR. The competition would obviously be the timer. Also, player will be given 5 minutes starting off. As the player progresses, the destination will become further, along with the time getting longer and traffic gets heavier. There are 4 waves of traffic you must get through before getting to the last wave, in which your timer will give you 20 minutes, and you will have to navigate through trucks, semis, cars, and police cruisers without getting stopped. The world of the game, the objective is the same, along with without crashing or getting stopped by the police. Character, you get to choose what car you want to drive. You get 3 options: truck, sedan, or SUV. Each car has different abilities. Sedan would be speed, but the cons to that would be police most likely would be on the lookout to stop you. SUVs, police would are less likely to stop you. Cons, it's a little slower than the sedan, so it would be moderate speed. And truck, the pros would be speed and strength, in case you might crash or bump into somebody. The cons would be it would be police, high value target, so they'll be definitely on the lookout for you. The level design: each level is different by design and scale and will bring new and unique challenges, like big cities with construction zones and accidents, or spread out areas with roads with a lot of twists and turns.